Hi everyone, welcome back to my family's channel, The Happy Healthy Vegans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be making some homemade vegan chicken bouillon. I find buying the bouillon can get pretty expensive, so I wanted to make it myself at home. We're going to start out with 2 cups of nutritional yeast, then we're going to add half a cup of salt. Most of these ingredients are something that you will probably already have in your cupboard. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of garlic powder, a 1/4 cup onion powder. It does get a little dusty. Now we're gonna add, 1/4 cup of dried basil, then a 1/4 cup of ground oregano, a 1/4 cup of rosemary, and then 2 tablespoons of black pepper. Okay, now that all my ingredients are poured in, I'm going to pop on the lid and get the blender started. High speed, 40 seconds should be plenty of time to get the spices and nutritional yeast all mixed up and blended well together. Once the blender is all done, you're going to want to let it sit for probably about 10 to 15 minutes to let any of the dust settle down. I have already had this blender sitting for about 15 minutes so I could show you what it looks like when I open it up and not have a cloud of dust fly out at me. So now that I can open it, I'm going to get a spatula and scrape down the sides so I can get all the bouillon out. I try not to let any of it go to waste. I actually like to use my bouillon for soaking my soy curls, roasting my vegetables instead of using butter or oils. I also flavor my rice with it when I do my food prep for the week. That's another video that I should have out to you in a couple weeks. If you use your chicken bouillon for anything different, I would love it if you would please share your ideas with me in the comments below. Also, probably about 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon per 1 cup of liquid should be enough to give your food some extra flavor. Now I'm just pouring my chicken bouillon into my bag, and there you have it, homemade chicken bouillon, all ready and waiting for you to use. Thank you so much for watching today, and please like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. Bye now.